Hey guys, today we're gonna do a quick video about missingmoney.com. It is a website that you can claim property that has been unclaimed or money that was owed to you but you're not aware of. Like for example, I've seen money owed to people from electric bills that were probably overcharged and they put it on the state and you were never notified, or the mail was missing, or from utilities, from car companies, from car payments, house payments and whatnot. Money that was actually owed to people. And how I know this site is legit and endorsed by the state, besides it being advertised here, and it has been in so many news articles that yes, it is actually a legit site. If you live in the United States only though. I don't think it works anywhere else. But what happened is that I claimed money on my own name, and actually the check was sent to me. Yes, it took I think 3 weeks or something like that for the check to show up in my mailbox, and actually it was legit money. Was not much, it was just under $100 from an old ISP when I used to live in another state, and the money is now in my bank account. And I thought, why not share this website with some of you that may not be aware of it? Why not check with your name and see if you are owed any money? You never know. Because you think just, looking around the house and where do I get some more money? Well, check if somebody owes you money. Here, I already checked for Jason Derulo. If you don't know who Jason Derulo is, you can go check it out if you're that young. Let me check if anybody owes him money, for example. Derulo and Jason. So that's Jason Derulo. He's a singer, by the way, if you didn't know. And as you see, Facebook owes him $50 to $100, Amazon owes him around under $25, and Warner Music Group owes him over $100. That could be into thousands. So if Jason Derulo knows or watches this video, hey brother, you can go get some money here from Warner Music Group. And looks like there's a lot more here from PayPal, 3 times here, and so on. Let me check, for example, I don't know, Smith. This is no particular real name that I know, right? Joseph Smith. Let's see if anybody owes Joseph Smith any money. And as you see, Joseph Smith, undisclosed, of course, it could be anything. $50 to $100, Joseph Smith from Alabama. So if that's you, just go get your name out there and see if you ever had any interaction with a Safeway Insurance. Well, it looks like they owe you some money. And this is how it works. You just simply put your name, and I'm not going to claim it, but I'm going to hit as an example here, because obviously I'm not Joseph Smith. I'm going to hit View Claim Property. When you go here, from Potomac Court, New Jersey, looks like this Joseph Smith here, you select an option if you are Joseph Smith, you are a heir of Joseph Smith, like a son or daughter, legal representative, attorney or power of attorney, business, co-owner, creditor, or third-party locator. That could be a certified locator. I'm not going to select any of them because I'm not any of them. Then when you continue with the claim, here's where you input your real information. You put your last name, first name, and all this stuff, and you hit next. Then it will take you to the claim and will tell you that it will take these many days or weeks to come back to you. I'm going to remove this one because obviously I'm not Joseph Smith. I wish I was, because it looks like there's a lot of money owed to this guy, whoever he is. If you're Joseph Smith, please check this website. You might be happy to see. And so on and so on. So this whole video was made just to make you aware that yes, this website is 100% legit. And yes, I received an actual check with money from it. Well, I'm going to disclose the number. It was around $68, something like that if I'm not wrong. I cashed it out to my bank and it worked without a single problem. So yeah, go check it out and see if there's any Christmas gifts for you here. These are from the States. These are actual money that is yours, just being put in a pool to be claimed by you. It is not necessarily that anybody's giving you free money. This is money literally owed to you, that you either overpaid for something or you did not know that you were owed money on something or for something. So with that said, link will be down below for missingmoney.com. And again, you must be in the United States of America because it doesn't work anywhere else. And as you see here, it looks like it looks for some in Canada as well. I saw Manitoba somewhere. US Virgin Islands, minor outlying islands, and Northwest Territories, Newfoundland. So it looks like it works for Canada as well. So US and Canada, go check it out. Maybe you are owed money actually and you are not aware of it. With that said, please like and subscribe this video and we will see you next time. Bye!